The Twitter element from the social media elements easily allows you to bring in a Twitter feed. Let's create columns here because that just makes it a little bit more manageable. And then we bring in under social our Twitter element. Click, hold and drag and drop it in this column. And you can see why I brought it into a column very easily to resize the Twitter element. Select it. And then on the left from the options toolbar, this is where you will bring in the username. I'll just add there Lady Gaga, and you will add yours, of course. And you can choose between embed or whether you want a button. You also have an option to switch between a light and a dark theme. And that's essentially it, as the styling comes from Twitter itself. If you want to change the size of the element within the column, go to the settings and you see you have options here over width as well as the height. From here, you can align it, and then you have the normal settings for styling effects as duplicate as well as delete. This is also a straightforward element when it comes to responsive design, and very little is needed for you to make changes except for the width of the element within the various displays.